Hey everyone, so we are done with yet another wonderful session with these guys. I call them specially, that's why we're in the closed room. Let's ask them whether they're learning something or not.
We have learned so many things and discussed ideas in each session.
सर डेफिनेट आज मैं इस स्टेज पे पहुंचा हूं कि मैं अपना एक नया करियर शुरुआत करने जा रहा हूं.
We learn so many new things.
What is the name of your brand? Scale
Up your brand.
Scale up your brand, okay.
There is a lot of change in my personality.
Each and every class, we learn new things, new aspects for life as well as our business also.
Wonderful.
It is very helpful for me. I am totally changed.